This video is going to show you how to do a ribbed edge. In this case, this is for a pillowcase and doing a border on the two back panels. But this technique can be used on a lot of different projects. I've done it before on sweaters, other pillows, pretty versatile. Now, you could hypothetically crochet the border in a separate piece and then sew it on, but I hate the sewing part. So I'm going to show you how to just add it to your project. I just finished the last row of this rectangle piece that I'm working on. It's a back panel for this pillow. So at the end of the last row, I'm not going to fasten off, but I'm going to do a chain 7. After chaining 7, I'm going to single crochet starting in the second chain from the hook and all the way down. So I should have 6 stitches, 6 single crochet stitches. Okay, and then when you get back down, we're going to skip this first stitch, but we're going to do a slip stitch in the next 2 stitches. Be nice if it didn't fall out. Okay. And then I'm going to turn my work and single crochet, do 6 single crochet in the back loops only. So here I've got my front loop and my back loop is on this side. So I'm going to do 6 single crochets in the back loop only. When you get to the end of the row, you're going to chain 1, turn it again, and then do 6 single crochets in the back loop only. This entire border is going to be crocheted in the back loop only, and that's what's going to create the ribbed texture. Okay, when you get back down to the bottom, we're going to do 2 slip stitches again. And you're just going to repeat that same thing all the way to the end of the row. So you'll do 2 slip stitches and then 6 single crochet up, chain 1, 6 single crochet down, 2 slip stitches all the way to the end of the row. Depending on how many stitches you have in your row is going to depend on how many you end on. For this pattern specifically, I have 54 stitches, and so at the very end of my row, I only had 1 stitch remaining. So instead of doing 2 slip stitches, I did 1 slip stitch into the last spot and did my 6 single crochet up. Did not do a chain. Now, if it was a standalone piece, I would have fastened off once I reached the corner. In this case, I did not. So it depends on which project you're working on, but that is how you make a cute little ribbed border.